Hello everyone, are you still relying on manual tracking to monitor solder paste temperature equalization? Inaccurate time management can easily impact solder paste quality during the printing process. Introducing a smarter, more reliable solution. Meet the Bossmen Smart Solder Paste Temperature Equalization Cabinet. Engineered with 4 core advantages. Elevate your production line's intelligence and stability. First, precise time management of solder paste temperature equalization guarantees consistent, high-quality soldering results. Second, integrated visual alerts prevent the accidental use of unsuitable solder paste. Third, advanced access control enhances production planning and optimizes process management. Fourth, enhanced operational efficiency, minimizes human error and maximizes throughput. So, our intelligent system provides individual management for each solder paste container, featuring automated timing, discard notifications, and comprehensive traceability. The equalization process is clearly communicated via 4 distinct indicator lights. Red, solder paste is currently processing ambient temperature equalization. Green, equalization complete, solder paste is ready for use. Yellow, solder paste nearing expiration after equalization, it may still be used or requires re-refrigeration. Blue, paste expired and must be discarded. This proactive monitoring prevents misuse, safeguarding product quality and process integrity. Coupled with a QR code scanning system, management is simplified and usage is secured. The result, significantly improved production consistency and reduced scrap rates, delivering maximum value to your manufacturing operations. Constructed from stainless steel 304, the cabinet ensures durability and safety. Customizable dimensions and fixture accommodate your specific solder paste storage requirements, offering unparalleled flexibility and adaptability. Simply put, from the moment solder paste begins its temperature equalization, every batch is primed for optimal performance. Bossmen Smart Solder Paste Temperature Equalization Cabinet, your partner in process stability and quality excellence.